Hello and welcome to Ejisco Tech TV, your ultimate gateway to the future of technologies, innovations, and entrepreneurship. This channel covers trends like blockchain technology, AI, cryptocurrency, and software development. So today I'm going to teach you how you can create Web3 wallets on your mobile phone. So the first thing to do is head to your App Store or Play Store. After downloading the wallet, you just click open. So now you open up here. See what is written here: unlock opportunity across 100 chains. Get started. You just go to get started. Now there are two things here: create new wallet, add existing wallet. So for the purpose of learning, we're going to focus on create a new wallet. We're going to talk about add existing wallet in the next video. So you go to create wallet, then you can add pin if this prompt up. Okay, the pin code, you repeat it again. Okay, so as soon as this happens, the first thing they want to ask you is secret phase. Now let me explain a little here. The secret phase is very, very important. In fact, it's your password to your money, and it's very, very important. Don't show it to anybody you don't trust, because anybody that has this secret phase have access to your money any day, any time. Okay, even though you use face a face recognition on your phone, or you add a password, it doesn't matter. It's the master key to your money. So you go to create. Now the first thing they will ask you to do is back up secret phase, because in case you format your phone tomorrow or your phone get lost, this is the only way to have access to the money you have in that wallet. For example, if your phone is formatted or get lost, and you lost all your secret phase, that means that money is gone forever. Nobody can have access to it, either you. So it's very important. Keep this phrase in a very secure place where you can have access to it anytime, any day. Maybe if your phone is formatted or your phone crash or something. Very important. So there are two ways to back up. You can back up manually, then you can back up to your iCloud if you are using iPhone. So for the purpose of learning, we're going to use backup manually. Okay, so look what they said. Say this secret phrase is the master key to your wallet. So any amount of money you have in this wallet, if you don't keep your phrase where anybody that have access to you will have access to your money. So it's very important. So you click this, you click the check here, and you continue. Okay, so these are the phrase now. Okay, these are the phrase. You can see secret phrase. So these are the master key. So anything that happened to your phone any day, if you can even memorize them, you have your money with you anywhere in the world. All you need to do is get this phrase and download the application again and impute it. I'm going to teach about how you can restore your wallet, in the next video. You can copy it and send it to phone, to anywhere. Okay, so once that is done, so this process is applicable to all wallets, whether it's MetaMask or Phantom wallet. They have all kinds of wallets. Okay, it's almost the same process. All you just need to do, you can add, for example, after creating this trust wallet now, for example, and you are downloading, you want to use a Phantom wallet, you can just port this wallet to that other wallet, or you create a new one. So our next video, we're going to talk about how you can add existing wallets to any of these applications.
Connect with us at Agisco Tech TV for more insights, resources, and opportunities. Together, let's harness the power of digital transformation to create lasting impact. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also visit us at agisco.com.